Experiment 23. Acids and bases react in spaces. Tools needed from kit. 1 small test tube, 1 yellow measuring scoop, 1 stirring stick, packet 2, which is your citric acid, packet 5, which is your baking soda, and packet 4, which is your purple sweet potato powder. Ingredients needed from home: oil and water. Directions: pour water into the test tube. You'll need 5 to 7 mils of water. Next, use the scooper to add 1 scoop of baking soda. Next, stir the mixture with your stirring stick. Then add 1 scoop of purple sweet potato powder and stir it in. Then slowly pour oil into the test tube until it's almost full. Then wait 10 to 20 seconds for it to settle. Then add 1 scoop of citric acid and watch what happens. Write it down.